Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, the channel where we dig deep into the specs, performance, and overall value of the latest products on the market. Today, we're checking out a heavy-duty player in the blender world, the Waring Commercial TBB160 TORQ 2 horsepower blender. This blender isn't your average kitchen tool. Its powerful motor and robust build promise to take on just about any blending task you throw at it. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Waring TBB160 TORQ boasts a powerful 2 horsepower motor that delivers a maximum of 24,000 RPM. This is a serious blender, designed for professional use, but available for those who want to bring that level of power into their own kitchens. The 48-ounce jar is made from BPA-free copolyester, known for being tough and durable, making it a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable, long-lasting blender. It's stackable, which adds to its space-saving design, a big plus if you're dealing with a cluttered countertop. The motor itself operates with 2 speed settings, giving you a good balance between control and versatility. The electronic keypad comes with a 60-second countdown timer, which is perfect for consistency in blending. You can set it, let it run, and trust that it'll finish the job. It's also got a stainless steel, user-replaceable drive coupling, so maintenance is relatively easy. This is something often overlooked, but it's a real plus for long-term usability. The TBB160 is built in the USA, using a combination of US and foreign parts, and it meets CULS and NSF standards, ensuring that it's both safe and reliable for commercial use. So how does all this translate into real-world performance? Let's find out. In practical use, the Waring TBB160 TORQ performs exceptionally well. Setting it up is simple. Just plug it in, select your desired speed, and hit the timer. It's intuitive, making it easy to use even if you're not a professional. I tested it with a range of ingredients, from frozen fruit smoothies to tough greens like kale and spinach. It handled everything effortlessly. The 2 horsepower motor doesn't just sound strong, it is strong. In fact, you can almost feel the power when it starts up. It's like the blender is ready to take on anything you throw at it. In terms of blending consistency, the TBB160 produces smooth results every time. The countdown timer is a game changer, especially when you're trying to achieve a perfect blend without overprocessing the ingredients. The jar itself is very durable and feels solid, which is important in a commercial blender. However, it's also worth noting that it's slightly on the larger side, so if you're working with smaller batches, you might need to adjust your expectations. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages of the Waring TBB160 is its power. That 2 HP motor makes a noticeable difference, especially when compared to standard blenders. The durability is another major plus. It's built to last, with a stainless steel coupling and a copolyester jar that resists stains and odors. It's also straightforward to use thanks to the simple controls and the 60-second timer. However, it's not without its downsides. While the size is great for commercial use, it may be a bit too much for home kitchens with limited space. The blender is also a bit on the loud side, which might be a deal breaker for those who prefer quieter appliances. As for the value, the Waring TBB160 comes in at a higher price point, but given its performance and build quality, it's definitely a worthwhile investment for those who need something reliable and powerful. If you're looking at blenders in a similar price range, the Vitamix 5200 or Blendtec Total Blender might come to mind. These are also commercial-grade blenders, and while they offer similar power, the Waring TBB160's user-replaceable parts and the added convenience of the countdown timer make it a standout, especially in a busy kitchen environment. Build quality is another area where the TBB160 shines. The materials used, stainless steel for the coupling and BPA-free copolyester for the jar, are both practical and durable. I wouldn't expect any major reliability issues with this product, and considering its commercial-grade design, it should hold up well over time, even with frequent use. Plus, the fact that it's made in the USA adds an extra layer of confidence regarding its manufacturing standards. The motor itself is powerful, but it's also designed for easy maintenance, which means this blender can continue performing at a high level for years to come. When it comes to customer service, I didn't personally need to reach out to Waring during my testing. But the brand has a solid reputation in the commercial kitchen space. They're known for their responsive support and reliable service, which is something to keep in mind if you're investing in a high-end blender like this one. Looking at the product's performance and overall value, the Waring TBB160 TORQ is a high-end, heavy-duty blender that stands out for its power, durability, and ease of use. It's a great fit for commercial kitchens, smoothie bars, or anyone who needs a blender that can handle large volumes and tough ingredients. While it might be overkill for casual home use, if you're looking for a blender that delivers consistent, high-quality results, it's certainly worth the investment. To wrap up, the Waring TBB160 TORQ is a powerhouse blender that delivers on its promises. It's got the muscle, the build quality, and the ease of use that makes it a great choice for anyone in need of a top-tier blending experience. Just keep in mind its size and noise level if you're using it at home. But for those who need a heavy-duty machine, it's hard to beat. If you've got any questions about this blender or want to share your experience, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find the link to get your own Waring TBB160 in the comments. Goodbye till next time, where we'll be reviewing the next big thing on Reviews Inside TV. Stay tuned.